pray. And I don't usually play this too often, but I gotta tell you, I was uploading some videos and I came across one of these videos that I didn't post yet and I've had for a couple of months, so it's a good one too. So I figured I'm here today and maybe it's a sign to play this. So I'm on a 2-cent denom. Max bet is 5. I think I'm gonna do $3 spins to start. We need 3, come on, first spin? First spin, gold egg, gold egg. I thought it was gonna give me a first spin bonus. That would have been amazing. Come on, gold egg. I need some gold eggs, please.
Do they fly down at the end of bonus? Or do the birds fly down?
In the bonus. I needed that third gold egg twice. What's he doing? Come on, gold egg. I want it too. Oh, I got it. Yes. Get it, Everett. All right. Congratulations. 8 free games. Come on, birds. Come on, birds. Land something good, line up something good, Kings. Come on, Eagle. Oh, that's a good sign. All right, they're dive bombing. Oh, it's a star.
It's a star mean.
I forget, it does something, I think. Yeah, it calls his friends. He calls his friends. He's like, come out, friends. Ooh, 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 right here, please. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 8 wilds added. What does that give me? Oh, it didn't shake. Oh wait, phenomenal. It's a phenomenal win. Look at Everett, it's a phenomenal. I think here would have been amazing, right?
We got one line.
Ooh, look at that. That's $120 something. I knew there was a reason why I wanted to play this. Come on out again, please. Oh, I almost a re-trigger. Ooh, he's coming out. Come on, star. Oh, he only gave me 1 that time. Everett, I only got 1. Oh, wow. Everett, you got a good... How much is that?
I don't think very much. It would be coming back. He called his friends.
108? Oh my gosh, Everett, you did good. Oh, come on, star. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 8 wilds? 9 wilds? Oh my gosh. It is good. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at, I just missed these 2. That's an unbelievable win. Everett, I gotta tell you, there's a reason why I came to this. I was uploading this today.
Is it the one I played?
No, it's mine.
No, I did one.
Look at this. It's an unbelievable win. On a $3 bet. Oh my god, that was $200. Look at this bonus, $350. That is incredible. $350 bonus. Plus $65 in there. I'm just gonna play this down to the 16 and I'm gonna take a quadruple up. That makes me happy. Oh, that was $18.60.
That's good.
It's very good. Come on, one more time. Just one more. Golden egg. Golden egg. Oh, I was hoping. Come on, golden egg. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's do 4 max bet. Come on, golden egg. Golden egg on max bet. Come on.
Golden egg.
Golden egg on max bet. Oh, that would have been really nice. That was $17. Okay, let's see. We got 4 more spins on max. Oh, queens for $4.50. A bonus would be amazing. Look at this.
I know.
So cute. All right, that was it. Oh wait, that was $11.50. It gets me 3 more spins. Oh, last spin. Oh, too bad that's not wild. That was incredible. $100 in on Birds of Prey, cashing out over 400 bucks. Beautiful. All right, I am on Lucky Honeycomb Twin Fever, and as you know, Hector and Milo, they never let me down. So, with that said, I got 100 bucks in here. Let's get all the volume up. And max bet on this, it's $3 a spin. It is a penny machine, so let's go $3 max bet. It's been a couple of weeks since I came to visit, so let's hope Hector and Milo remember me. Oh. All right, $32. Thanks, Hector and Milo. Appreciate it. Now let's get a bonus, something big. Come on, yes! Thanks, guys. All right, guys, I want to see neon U's. The neon B's. Come on, bees! Come on out, you beautiful Hector and Milo. Everyone wants to see you. We want to see you, you beautiful bees, you. Oh, that's a good one. Good placement. I'm happy. 43.80. Okay. Oh, I'm happy with that. Look at, I'm already ahead. I started with 100. Oh. Come on, you beautiful brothers, you. Oh. I know, he won't though. It shows you. There's like a tell. All right, we're at 85. Oh, come on, retrigger. Yay! I got a retrigger, man. Woohoo! Thank you, Hector and Milo. I really appreciate it. If you both come on, I'll be like so happy. I already am. Come on out, guys. Next spin. All right, so that was my first 8 spins at 101.80. Come on out, guys. Uh-oh. Wake up. Uh-oh. Okay, got 6 of them this time. We need to see a neon B. Come on. Two games left. All right, last chance. Oh, it's gonna end. All right, well, I'm not gonna complain about a $109 bonus. Let's play this down to 200 and take a nice double up. Got one more spin. And I could do a 241. And we are cashing out with Hector and Milo. Nice double up. Thanks, guys.